Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use unpaved roads. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's open the navigation button located right here at the left side of the screen. Now you've got access to the navigation application. So now you need to find the settings icon. The settings icon is this gear icon located usually here at the top of the screen. Let's just tap the settings icon, and now you've got access to a whole list of navigation settings that you can customize, that you can change. So here you need to find the second option. The second option is routing preferences. If you tap the routing preferences, you've got the whole list of routing preferences that you can change, and one of them is use unpaved roads. This is right here. So if you enable this feature just by using this switcher, you can use the unpaved roads. The car may suggest dirt or gravel roads if they are the only way to get to your destination. If you keep it off, the car will strictly stick to paved asphalt roads to protect the vehicle underside and tires. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.